Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Nate. Behind me is a Ford 545A Backhoe that I got about a month ago. When I got it, the guy told me that there's no compression on all three cylinders. So we're gonna see if that's true or not. I have already tried to start it and it won't start. First thing I'm gonna do is take this starter off so it'll make it easier for me to spin the engine over. So the story behind this backhoe is it was running fine. It got cut off to go get some lunch, and then when he came back, it wouldn't start back up. So I'm thinking it just lost prime and it needs to be reprimed. But when I do try to start it, I get fuel out of all three injector lines, but it won't start. It spins over fine with the starter, or it seemed to, but when I try to turn it over with this pry bar here, when the third cylinder gets to the top, go in either direction, there's a dead stop there. Before I had taken the starter off, I spun the engine over with the starter with all three injectors out, and the first and second cylinder just completely blew my hat off. The third cylinder didn't do anything. I'm putting a rag down in there, as you can see, to see if it would blow that out, and it was nothing. Later on, you'll see that one of the push rods in the third cylinder was bent. So I'm doing a whole series here to figure out why that push rod was bent and rebuild this whole engine. I think it's going to make for some cool videos. This is where I had the rag in the third cylinder there. I was hoping there'd be enough compression to push it out, but it's not really likely the way I'm doing it here. Something happened to my camera and I lost all the video footage. I had a picture of the bent push rod that I pulled out of cylinder number 3, but I can't find it. Hope y'all have a good one.